Hi, my name is Jack Morgan. I'm with Vivo Pools in Southern California, and I'm going to show you how to repair your pool vacuum. Now, you have a vacuum that you're going to use to vacuum your pool with, and sometimes these ball bearing wheels get worn because of the fact that they're running on a concrete surface and they wear out, so they're going to need to be replaced periodically. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to do that. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this wheel and the nut and bolt that go along with it, and we're going to go ahead and replace that. So all you're going to do is you're going to basically put that into the slot there, and you're going to run your screw through here, and then you're going to basically attach the bolt on the other side, and you're going to take your screwdriver, a number 2 Phillips, and you're going to just tighten it up. You're going to tighten it up by simply just turning the screwdriver. Snug. Doesn't need to be any more than just snug, just like that. And now you've attached the wheel, and that's all there is to it. My name is Jack Morgan with Vivo Pools, and that's how to repair your pool vac.